All right, moving on now, we have some breaking inputs coming in. VVIP convoy versus CM's motorcade in Karnataka. Traffic was halted for the CM's cavalcade to pass. It's during this time that a VVIP lost patience, and what you saw on your visuals is what transpired on ground. What we're given to understand is that the luxury vehicle driver drew the car over the divider. VVIP's car breached CM security. And blame is being put on Mr. Janardhan Reddy now that he tried to harm the Chief Minister. Karnataka MLA Janardhan Reddy is under heat for breaching traffic rules. Let's go across to Deepak for more on this. The allegation is that he tried harming the Chief Minister.
Well, yes. Now we should note that while the Chief Minister was in Koppal there, while his convoy was, about to move on a stretch of the road, the traffic was halted. While, of course, a lot of people were waiting, for the traffic to get clear. Meanwhile, of course, we had Janardhan Reddy, who was moving on the same stretch of the road in his car. And, after waiting for a couple of minutes, his driver there deciding that he will go over the barricade using his SUV and the prowess that it has, jump over the divider, in fact, and get onto the stretch of the road where the Chief Minister's, convoy was supposed to pass through. And just few seconds after he starts to move in that direction, you can see, of course, on those visuals, you can see the Chief Minister's convoy that passes through. Now, today we've had an organization which has gone ahead and filed a complaint. They've gone to the SP of Koppal and they've said that, always Janardhan Reddy, who's been a MLA and a minister himself, knows about protocols, but he's always practiced, politics of hate against Siddaramaiah, and this could be an attempt to harm him and his life is the charge that has come in from this, group, which has now demanded that action should be initiated, very quickly against Mr. Janardhan Reddy because of this incident.
All right, we're playing out visuals of what transpired as well. Deepak, stay on with us. Janardhan Reddy has been accused of harming the Chief Minister. That's the allegation being leveled against him after he breached the Chief Minister's cavalcade. Stay on with us. We have more breaking